Hey guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about XRP. We're going to take a look at Ripple XRP on a macro scale and what type of a breakout we could anticipate over the next like a few weeks or even few months, right? Especially in Q4, because market most likely going to be very volatile, especially XRP right now trading just about like a dollar. It is a good deal going forward, right? And we're going to discuss why it is a good level to be accumulating both versus BTC and versus USD, right? So now let's dive into the analysis and discuss basically why am I so bullish on XRP, especially in Q4, right? So when we take a look at XRP, let's start off on the monthly basis, right? So when we take a look at XRP, since back in since like 2019, back in June 2019, I've been following XRP on a monthly basis. Okay, what I've been saying was like, okay guys, we know XRP going to be breaking out in the near future, but in order to get a macro breakout, we're gonna need what? We're gonna need XRP to start like a trading above our monthly 21. Guess what guys, we dump all the way down to like a 10 cents, where we said we're going to be reaccumulating. When XRP was like a 40 cents guys, we said we still got a chance to be buying XRP somewhere around like a 9 cents to 13 cents right here back in 2019 guys. We dump all the way down to our target. So now what we're looking at right now is like we managed to breakout above our monthly 21 EMA. It is our yellow line, right here. We broke out above it, dumped below it, got a nice pump above it before the XRP FUD regarding the SEC and all that good stuff, right? What happened right here, we got wiped out. Okay, we got wiped out, and basically bulls showed up right there and pushed the price back up above the 21 EMA. We have to remember once again, okay, the 21 EMA, as long as we can stay above the monthly 21 EMA, XRP is in a bull market. As long as we can stay above the monthly 21 EMA, XRP is in a bull market. As you can see right here, guys, even if you go back and back test it, back in like a 2017, January 2017, we broke out above the 21 EMA, pump all the way up to like 25 cents, 30 cents right here, and reaccumulated for like a multi-month, okay, nearly like a 5 month before the December breakout right here to all-time high. And guess what guys, bears, as soon as they took over right below the monthly 21 EMA, we struggled, okay, from like a 45-50 cents all the way down to like a 10 cents. So right now I think like bulls are taking over, and we're most likely going to be breaking out to the upside as soon as we can take over just above $2. Okay, why $2, right? So if you take a look at it in a clean chart, right, let's get a clean chart. You can see like one of the reasons why I was saying like XRP going to be breaking out to like a $2, but we could get a big tough challenge, right, to break out above $2. If you take a look at it right here, $2, it is our all-time high based on closing basis. What does it mean, right? It means after we broke out back in January, December 2017 right here, we could not close a candle above $2. Okay, so that's why right here when we were breaking out back in April, right, I was saying our target going to be $2, right? We need to get a candle close above $2. The hardest thing, remember, the hardest thing was like to get a candle close above our 21 EMA. Right there, we got one, got wiped out. Push to the upside, retested, pump to our resistance right here, retesting our 21 EMA. So the next big move we could anticipate over the next like a few weeks, a big move, right, going to be right here. Okay, up to $2, a big challenge right here. If we can close a candle on a monthly basis above $2, right, that's going to be a bull market, macro ballistic candle we could anticipate like after that, right? So now let's take a look at it. We know we're going to be breaking out to the upside, but what type of target could we anticipate once we get the breakout above $2, right? So if you take a look at it in terms of extension, right, so as you can see right here, back in 2017 we started pumping from like a 0.005, okay, 0.005 all the way up to a 360, right? Let's say 350, 360 range, right? Just depend on it depends on which exchange you're using, right? So, and after that we dump all the way down to where 9 cents, 10 cents right here. So if we want to use our extension tool, right, if we do a swing low from a 0.005 all the way up to let's say 330, right, 320 range, and down to like a 10 cents right here, right, our recent low. You can see like we could be anticipating a move all the way up to 0.786. Okay, why 0.786? Because I'm anticipating BTC to give us an extension all the way up to 0.786. I'm going to show you the BTC price target and all that good stuff. So I'm expecting XRP also to give us a big move, like just about like a 0.786, which is going to be, you know, $14 to $16 on average, $15. Yes. Why, you know, you could be asking, why not 1-to-1 extension? We could get 1-to-1 extension, but not to be greedy, guys, not to be greedy, right? It is safer, right? It is safer to take some profits, just about like a, you know, $14 to $16, and after that we could basically reaccumulate and basically re-strategize and see what type of a move we could get next. All right, so we got 0.618 right here, just about like a $5.5 $6 range. We definitely going to get some tougher challenges, right, just to break out above the 5.5. So now, just to confirm our bullishness, right, on XRP USD, now let's go ahead and take a look at XRP BTC. XRP BTC, guys, as you can see right here, back in 2019, I was saying the same thing when XRP was just about like a 3,000 right there. What I was saying was like, we're going to be retesting the all-time low, just about like a 500 sats. Guess what? We dumped all the way down to 600 sats, right? And what we said after we dumped down to 600 sats, we said it is a good time to be buying XRP because we're most likely going to be pushing back up to retest our 4,000 resistance right here. We pump all the way up to 4,000. Right now, we're going through another reaccumulation. As you can see on a monthly basis, right, we cannot break out above our monthly 21 EMA, right there, right here. So XRP BTC, the biggest challenge for XRP BTC, it is the same challenge we had on XRP USD, right? Remember XRP USD, we could not break out right here. We could not break out above the monthly 21 EMA for nearly, guys, 2 years, right? So as you can see right here for XRP BTC, ever since we broke out right here back in April 2019, when BTC broke out like from 3,500, XRP been just dumping versus BTC, right? So to me, okay, it is a good level to be accumulating under 2,000 sats. We could retest all the way down to a 600 sats. I'm not sure if we're going to be, if bear is going to be strong enough to dump it down to a 600 sats. But if they do, right, it is just going to be a steal. Our next big move we could be anticipating, right, going forward, it is going to be all the way up to 10,000 sats, right? 10,000 sats right here, up to a 14,000. Temporary resistance, right? Something to basically keep in mind going forward. If we take a look at XRP on a monthly basis, guys, it is a monthly bullish divergence right here. It means, guys, it means any dips right now most likely just going to be a fake out. Why it is going to be a fake out, right here. XRP is so bullish I can't even analyze it on the 3D basis, right? So because if we dump down to the 600 sats right here, we won't have time, right, for the MACD to cross negative. So I don't think like MACD going to be moving that fast to cross negative. The most we can get is like probably, okay, just kiss the signal line and basically say, you know, and just say goodbye. We're going to the moon after that, right? So that's what I'm saying. Even if we dump down to a 600 sats, it could be just temporary. Okay, it could just be a temporary dump for the for the next big move to the upside, all the way up to 10,000 to 14,000 sats, right? So now let's take a look at our RSI on the 3 weeks basis. RSI on the 3 weeks basis is looking beautiful, guys. If we take a look at the RSI right here, you can see like we got a nice support trend line right there. That's our yellow line right there. Okay, let's change it to white. Okay, That's our white dotted line right here. So back in October 2017, as soon as we retested the white line, the white dotted line right here, what happened? We pumped all the way up to new all-time high. As you can see, also back in July 2018, as soon as we retested the trend line right here, we pumped. Okay, we got that 100% pump on XRP back in September 2018, right? As you can see also, right, we dumped below it, we accumulated right here. Now we managed to pump above it, double bottoming right now. So the move we're getting right here, right, it is a double bottom. I like to call it double top, double bottom. So whenever I see a double top, double bottom on my RSI, I know it is a big move coming up. Okay, I just, it just gives me a confirmation of a potential big move. Most of the time on the 2D basis, right, you tend to get these double top, double bottoms on on your RSI, and you're gonna be like, okay, we most likely going to be pumping to the upside and all that good stuff, right? But now we're getting it, guys. We're getting it on our 3 weeks basis. It means, guys, it is extremely bullish. Okay, so if XRP can manage, okay, to stay above this white dotted line right here, right, just about like a 44.8 on our RSI, we're most likely going to see a very explosive move going forward, right? So something to keep in mind. Any dumps, right, below let's say below 1500 sats, it is just going to be still going forward, right? That's all I wanted to cover for XRP. So if you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, join the public Telegram group and the Discord Telegram group, both links in the description. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.